Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Angie
and Talika,
and today, since Valentine's Day is around the corner, we got inspired to do a very classic look, the old Hollywood look
a la Rita Hayworth.
And we are incorporating a little bit of hair today since it goes so well with the whole look. We just wanted to do a whole complete look. So I hope you guys like it. If you guys want to learn how to do it, follow along.
To keep this video short, we filmed a separate foundation and color correction video. To watch that tutorial, click here.
So we're going to go with eyebrows now. We're going to use the Makeup Forever brown shadow in the shade M626. So it's like the last video, a very nice solid brown. So now to clean the eyebrows, we're going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Alright, so now that I cleaned her eyebrows, I'm applying a base. We're using Charmer from Tarte. And for this look, we're not going to do much eyeshadow. This is like the old Hollywood look. So the only eyeshadow I'm going to add is a very, very light brown for just to create a crease so her eye doesn't just look like white flat. It's called Smarty Pants. It's extremely light and I just want to create a little crease here so we have some shape. Yeah, I'm applying a very small amount of product and just really blend it out. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's very light. So for eyeliner, we're going to use the Tarte liquid, well, no, it's not liquid. It's the Tarte Clay eyeliner in black. Alright, let's get this eyeliner started. I won't move, I promise. So we'll start, like we said right now, we'll start small and then get bigger. But I mean, even though the Hollywood one is not that big anyways, it's just having a nice black eyeliner. Close it. So you kind of want to define where you want your tail to go, how far you want it to go, because you can always bring it in, but if you start the other way, you might go a little too far. Okay, we can go a little further out. See, I already up. You did? Just a little. And this is why we start small. Now we're about to have it thicker. And now this is like a little tiny dot, but that was fixed pretty easily. But it doesn't always go that well. So we don't want to do too much of a crazy eyeliner. I feel like, you know, for this look, this is supposed to be like, you know, old Hollywood style, but you're still going on a date. You're still trying to look cute. Don't nobody want to see, you know, their date with these crazy cat eyes.
These come get me eyes.
Yeah, like, calm down.
Hey, some might be into that.
So now we're going to add some bottom eyeliner, a little bit of black. I'm going to use Smoke Show from the same Tartelette palette. And I'm going to go on the inside of the waterline, all the way to the waterline right there. We're going to do a little bit of powder contouring with this Be Bella contouring palette. And I'm going right under the cheekbone, as you guys can see. We're going to use these Ardell 207 Double Up Lashes. We're going to add just a little bit of blush. We don't need too much for this look. We're going to use the Kevyn Aucoin in shade Apricot. I'm going to do it very lightly. I don't want too much blush for this. Oh, I think my brush had a little bit of shimmer on it.
Oh, girl.
It's getting a little shimmery up in here.
That's okay.
Shimmer. A little bit. I feel like for this look you don't need too much, so I'm gonna use the Anastasia Glow Kit. So I'm gonna go with the Dripping in Gold, mainly a little bit of bubbly, but Dripping in Gold. And just go a little. I'm not gonna bring it too far out. Just keep it a little bit right here, just on the cheekbone. Other side, this way. You know, you guys, you know, highlight is like the newest, biggest trend, but you don't have to use it with every single look that you do. So we're gonna use this Lancome mascara. Like that, I'm gonna just accent to the top a little bit. It's so smooth. Reminds me of like a nail polish or something. It's literally, it's not like one of those dry liquid lipsticks. The look is pretty much finished, as it goes for the face. So now let's take these clips out and try to finalize the whole look.
To learn how to do this hair tutorial step by step, watch it by clicking this link. So this is the final look by my super talented sister. Again, she freaking kills it like always. Make sure if you guys tried this look, we would love to see what you guys did, and make sure you hashtag us at beautyisbalance.
Yes,
on
please.
Instagram.
We love to see your work, especially if it was inspired by us. That's such a compliment.
I know, I love seeing it. It makes me so happy to know that people actually learned with the videos, because of course we love getting creative and doing all this, but the most important thing is that you guys actually do get something out of it. So make sure you like and share this video.
And leave us some comments. It's okay. Speak your mind and let us know what's up.
Just no hate comments, right?
Yeah, don't get a little rude, okay?
Okay.
Okay, hurt my feelings. I'm pregnant right now. I'm emotional. All right, guys, next time.